got this awesome 70 my dash cam 4K Omni HRD set. Let's do it. This awesome 70 my dash cam here. As I said before, I love this thing. Using this was awesome. I love the 360-degree rotate. Now this kit also comes with a rear view camera. Now I love using both cameras, that way you can get front and back coverage if you want, but you don't have to. You can just use this and just rotate your camera. Now what is cool about this is this nice 360 degree, as I had stated before. You can cover around all your vehicle, capturing footage from all angles, which is pretty cool, because this is cool to record any incidents that happen like beside your car, which is pretty unique from other dash cams. Also, the 4K Ultra HD recording. It's equipped with the Sony IMX678 image sensor. The Omni records at 4K resolution, delivering sharp and detailed footage. It supports 4K at 60 frames per second in single channel mode, or 4K at 30 frames per second when paired with the rear view camera. Now what is nice about this camera also is that it has AI detection. Now if you get this nice hardwire kit, which is sold separately, you can get a nice update. The camera will follow any sort of suspicious movement around your vehicle when it's parked, which is really good, especially if you go to like a sketchy area. This camera also has voice control, so you can do commands, and it supports different languages as well, which allows for nice hand-free operation, which is very unique as well. Now here are some pros and cons to this awesome dash cam by 70 my. So the pros of this is the comprehensive coverage. You got the 360-degree rotating camera, which ensures no blind spots, providing peace of mind for the drivers. Also, you get high quality video. I mean, come on. 4K recording capability ensures clear and detailed footage, crucial for capturing important details like license plates and other information. Also, you get advanced features like AI, motion detection, and parking surveillance, which enhances the vehicle security, making the Omni more than just a recording device. Now, here are some cons about this dash cam as well, which aren't many, but I need to mention them. So the first con that I see is that it doesn't have any cloud backup. It would be nice to have cloud backup as well, so you don't have to keep messing with an SD card, but it's not the end of the world. You can always just switch that in and out. Also, another con is that the parking surveillance requires a hardwire kit, which you need to buy separately, which is okay if you want that extra peace of mind as well. Overall, I love this 70 my 4K 360 dash cam. This thing was awesome. Now I use this dash cam in the daytime and in the nighttime, and I'm so happy that this thing came with a rear view camera. That way you got all angles covered around your vehicle, which is pretty nice. Also, what I did love is that you download an app called the 70 my app, and you have so many settings. You can customize it. You can also connect to a different camera if you have multiple cars or different types of dash cams. You can all manage that through the 70 my app, which makes it very easy. I definitely loved using this, and I definitely would recommend.